I am beyond thrilled to share with you the incredible 3D scanning services available in Kotla Mubarakpur, Delhi NCR, offered by none other than Scon Design India Private Limited. If you are in need of top-notch 3D scanning solutions, look no further than this exceptional company. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, Scon Design India Private Limited is revolutionizing the way we capture and replicate objects in three-dimensional form. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from the competition is their unmatched attention to detail and commitment to delivering exceptional results. Their team of skilled professionals is equipped with state-of-the-art 3D scanning equipment, ensuring that every scan is precise, accurate, and true to life. Whether you require 3D scanning for architectural purposes, product design, or even for creating lifelike replicas, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. The convenience of having access to these exceptional 3D scanning services in Kotla Mubarakpur, Delhi NCR, cannot be overstated. This technology opens up a world of possibilities for architects, designers, engineers, and artists alike. Imagine being able to scan an existing building or structure and manipulate it digitally to test different design ideas. Or perhaps you have a unique product that needs to be replicated with utmost precision. 3D scanning can make that possible. Scon Design India Private Ltd is making all of this a reality. The impact of Scon Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services extends far beyond the realm of design and architecture. This technology has the potential to transform industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and entertainment. Don't miss out on the opportunity to harness the power of this incredible technology. Contact Scon Design India Private Limited today and experience the future of design and innovation firsthand. Are you looking for the best 3D scanning services in Kotla Mubarakpur, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in 3D scanning, they provide top-notch services that will blow your mind. Whether you need 3D scanning for architectural purposes, product design, or any other application, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the name you can trust. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out from the crowd. Their team of skilled professionals has years of experience in the field, and they know exactly how to deliver exceptional results. They use state-of-the-art equipment and advanced software to capture precise and accurate 3D models of any object or space. From small intricate details to large-scale structures, Scon Design India Private Ltd can handle it all. One of the things that sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires a customized approach. That's why they take the time to understand your specific requirements and tailor their services accordingly. Whether you need 3D scanning for